Whew. Guys, I have found the best beard oil that I have used to date. This is gonna be really hard to beat. I mean, maybe one of their other scents might be better than this, but I've just developed such a love for this. Let's talk about it right now. So, this little gem of a beard oil is from Bedfordshire Beard Co. Bedfordshire Beard Co. are pretty much run by a family, as in like a guy and his wife or partner, and now they've got a kid. It's a small little family run business, and they make some beautiful looking products like this. I mean, everything about this product just feels right. It feels good in the hand, good label, good product. Really love the way it looks. And this is the mango beard oil from Bedfordshire Beard Co. So it's mango scented. It's a fragrance oil based product because it's mango and you don't get mango essential oils anywhere. And for any of you guys that try mango products out, if you're a fan of mango products, if you're a fan of mango, you're gonna love this one. So let's just talk about what's in the bottle. So in the bottle of beard oil, the mango one from Bedfordshire Beard Co, and I think just across the board in terms of all their blends, you get a bottle, a beard oil that's full of grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, hemp seed oil, and jojoba oil, or jojoba or jojoba oil, mixed with a fragrance, mixed with a fragrance, and you get this absolute little gem. And for the 10ml beard oil, it costs something like £7. For me, like £7 is absolutely nothing. You can save a bit of money as well when you subscribe, so you get one of these sent sort of every month or 2 months or 3 months. I didn't really look into it too much, if I'm being perfectly honest. It's incredible. When I've worked it into the beard, it goes in really easy. It's quite a thick oil, but really easy to apply. It doesn't sort of stay on my hands. Like, I can really get it into the beard, really apply it really nicely. Gives a good coating across the skin and the beard underneath. And like, I've been testing a lot of beard care products. They sent this to me, I think it might be back end of November, and I mean, I've had about 40 products I've tested between November and well, now really. So you're going to see a lot of content over the next sort of 6 months with all those products, but I've used about a third of that, and I've been using a lot of other products, but I've been using this at night time before bed. I've been just using it whenever I really want to because it's a great product overall. So I kind of giving you my thoughts in terms of how amazing I think it truly is. But it's time to do the scores now. As any of you who have already watched the videos know, we score it out of 50. And for the guys that don't know, we do it in five different categories. And those categories are packaging, price, scent, consistency, and finish. So let's talk about each of those real quick now. So I think the product looks special, and because it's that special, it gets a 10. I love the branding, love the feel of just the brand. I love Bedfordshire Beard Co. They're easily one of my favorite brands. I think, actually, I lie. They might be my favorite brand I've ever tried. Yeah, let's go with that. So for the scent, the mango is incredible. Gets a 10. Like, seriously, guys, if you've checked my videos out, I don't really give 10s just for nothing. And this product's already got 2 10s, which is one more than any other brand. Price, £7. It's an incredible product. You guessed it. Gets a 10. The consistency, the makeup of the product, the ingredients of the product, they feel incredible. They are incredible. Gets a 10. And overall, the finish in the beard, let's just add another 10. It's that special. This product gets full marks. It gets 50 out of 50. Hands down, best beard oil I've ever used. And I'll just leave it there. See you soon, guys. Goodbye.